Hello kids! Let's practice reading CVC words and sentences together.
Yippee!
Let's read along. Ed, bed, bed. Bed, bed. It's your turn to read now. It is a bed. It is a bed. Let's see if you can read. N, hen, hen. A hen, a hen. It's your turn to read now. It is a hen. It is a hen. Let's see if you can read. Jet, jet, jet. A jet, a jet. It's your turn to read now. It is a jet. It is a jet. Let's see if you can read. Egg, peg, peg. A peg, a peg. It's your turn to read now. It is a peg. It is a peg. Let's see if you can read. N, pen, pen. A pen, a pen. It's your turn to read now. It is a pen. pen. It is a pen. Let's see if you can read. N men, men. The men, the men. It's your turn to read now. See the men. See the men. Let's see if you can read. Et, net, net. The net, the net. It's your turn to read now. See the net. See the net. Let's see if you can read. Et, pet, pet. The pet, the pet. It's your turn to read now. See the pet. See the pet. Let's see if you can read. Et, vet, vet. The vet, the vet. It's your turn to read now. See the vet. See the vet. Let's see if you can read. N, yen, yen. The yen, the yen. It's your turn to read now. See the yen. See the yen. Let's see if you can read. Great reading, kids! You did an amazing job today. Like, share and subscribe to Little Learning Loop. Come back and read with Chibi again. Bye-bye. See you next time.